Hey guys, I want to make this quick video about how to start an engine with a broken pull cord. As you can see on my Scag push mower, the pull cord just snapped on me. It's right here. So it broke when I was using it. It's not terrible. The only thing I'm upset about is the machine literally only has 9 hours on it and the pull cord broke. That's a Kohler issue, not really a Scag issue, but just want to show you how to start it pretty easily if you're in a pinch. All right, so what you do is, first of all, make sure it's on, and you take the broken pull cord and you make sure to wrap it around the silver piece, just like that. Let's turn it backwards. You just keep wrapping around this silver piece, make sure there's tension on it. Okay, and when you get wrapped around, you just give it a yank. You can also put a drill on that bolt right there. I don't recommend doing that because if the drill catches, you can snap your wrist. And I didn't have a drill with me today when I was working. So if you're in a pinch like that, you can just wrap the old cord around it. And that's the easiest way. And I just left it running for the rest of the day. So it actually broke at like 6 hours. I had to let it idle for 3 hours today while I was working because I didn't want to let it shut off. So that's great, but I'm gonna take it to dealer. Hopefully they'll warranty it, and yeah, so just a quick little tip, but I hope y'all enjoyed.